It's the sound of my gun, the thou, leaving haters on the ground. It can be like Delhi now. That's the sound of my gun. Ayy. And you niggas better, I bet they won't like me when I let up these shots up on your block. You better really stop the talking, cause I don't fuck around. I take this shit personal. What you don't even know now, this shit can be really deadly. Tell me, how do you want it when I let that man go off in your back door? Niggas ain't gonna be playing. You already know they get the spraying, that shit they get the laying. Anything that's inside out, let me tell you how I do. Bullets spit through these trees, my nigga. How do you want it? I keep them at the beat exact to feed my homie. Want it, boy, I been a G, been a gangster since day one. Stacking nothing but that bread when I ride in the car. Just know that I'm a star, calling me the Don. Cause I don't fuck with nobody, I stay to myself. But you wanna talk the ish and wanna like get wrong. That Mac could go boom boom, out, hitting everything in the section like up now. It's up, about to go down when I come to your town. And I really don't fuck around, guarantee they know the name. T Hayes and everything, cause I can get it rock, get it in. Yeah, it really ain't gonna be no stopping on this mission, on this mission. No, I'm going in. I don't go around, I just keep it straight hood down. That's the sound of my gun. Hey, that's the sound of my gun. Thou, leaving haters up on the ground can be like Delhi now. That's the sound of my gun. And you niggas better run, take cover. You better take cover, better run, better duck and hide. Nigga on fuck around, you better duck and dodge. That thing that'll go ham on you across the town. It's about to go down. When I stack this bread right now, I'm in the Lexus, nigga. Pushing that shit all through the block, flossing hard, getting it in. Yeah, this money be hot. Know that the streets be even hotter. Yeah, I set up the block, and put it around, cause I had a hammer, call it the Mac. I'm finna check to be exact. I was just counting that bread, heard exactly what I said. Letter to my G's, and I ain't stopping. Nigga, I don't freeze, not in for the cops. I gotta keep this shit real good and blast this shit up. But I don't fuck around. How did it make the sound that go that leaving busters and haters on the ground? Cause shit get real off in the city. Tell me how you want it. Creeping up on the block, this shit can get even deadly. That's the sound of the Mac. They don't really want it now. It's about to go down when I'm in the city right now. My real killers beat them with they splitters. Go get us. Take your wig off with no hesitation, man. No hesitation. Sound of my gun, the thou. I keep the Mac in the back of the truck. It's about to go down. I don't fuck around. Yeah, they know that I be T Hayes to be exact, killing the track and bringing it back.